Can you use
kitchen scissors to cut my hair at home?
Absolutely, of course you can.
Short answer is no.
I did my first haircut using kitchen scissors, okay?
Kitchen scissors are the go-to.
Hey guys, my name is Mark Bustos.
I'm Beth Giuliano.
Jason Schneidman.
My name is Miguel, also known as the Nomad Barber.
My name is Matty, Conrad.
Hey everyone, my name is Vernon Scott. And I'm here to answer some frequently asked questions. Take 300.
What are the basic tools I need to cut my hair at home?
What are the basic tools I need to cut my hair at home?
I would keep it simple, less is more.
Essentially, you only need 5 things to be able to do a half-decent haircut at home. You need a sharp enough pair of scissors that'll cut hair.
A set of clippers with guards.
Maybe just a beard trimmer.
Comb is going to help you get all the little bits you might miss otherwise.
And a towel or a cape. Or, I mean, if you're really hard up, you can use a bed sheet.
That's a lot. Just a lot of patience.
Can you use a beard trimmer to clean up your hair?
Can you use a beard trimmer to clean up your hair? The answer is yes.
You can use a beard trimmer, not to do a full haircut.
I personally would stick to around the ears and the neckline.
With a beard trimmer, you usually cannot adjust that blade. So it comes set out of the box as tight as it can get, which means if you push too hard, then you'll probably feel it. So you don't want to do that, especially coming around the ears. Right where your ear starts, right in the corner. That spot right there is very easy to cut. I mean, you literally tap that part, you're gonna open yourself up. So you wanna be very careful, especially going around the ears.
What clippers should I buy and where should I get it from?
What clippers should I buy and where do I get them? So my 2 favorite clippers to use are the Wall Senior Cordless and the Wall Magic Clip Cordless.
I suggest going for something that has an adjustable lever. This is going to give you more control over the length and is ultimately going to be a much better clipper for cutting hair at home.
I've been sending my clients to buy the Conair clipper, and I liked it because it looked like an old Sony Walkman.
The best thing you want to do is spend a little bit more. You get it more for your money. They last a lot longer.
A good pair of clippers is probably going to cost you anywhere between $50 and $125.
For at-home use, there's no need to spend over $150 for a clipper.
So this was 40 bones.
I think this is the perfect one. I use it as a professional and it'll set you back maybe 80 to 90 bucks.
Comes with a cape, comes with a comb, comes with a scissor, and it comes with the attachments.
Personally, I think that people should go to their local pharmacy, Rite Aid, whatever. They always have beard trimmers, they have hair clippers, and I would go with Wall because they've been around for 100 years or more. Can you use
Kitchen scissors
to cut my hair at home?
Absolutely, of course you can.
Short answer is no.
I did my first haircut using kitchen scissors, okay?
Kitchen scissors are the go-to if you don't have anything else. And what you want to do is you just want to grab a piece and test it. Hold on, I'll do it. Hold on, you grab a piece and you just test it. And if it cuts, you're in.
Hair is actually very hard to cut, and hairdressing scissors are incredibly sharp. They're almost like 2 crossing razor blades.
See how sharp they were? They just went straight through the hair.
You don't want your hair to pull because 1, that's gonna hurt, and 2, you're not gonna get an even cut.
They're just gonna fold. Can you see that? It's just pulling the hair out.
If you're creative, you can use anything to get anything done.
Some of the other things that you might find in your arsenal is a gardening shear, which I tried and had no luck.
Can you? Yes. Should you?
I think it's to cut metal with. I don't know, but this thing works killer.
It's not gonna look as good with professional shears, but if they cut, they cut.
I don't even know what you would call this.
Should I use a bowl to cut my hair?
Should I use a bowl to cut my hair?
Well, I think that really depends on the outcome you're hoping for.
You should never, ever.
I don't dig it. I just don't get it.
Ever, ever, ever.
Absolutely, if that's what you're going for, you can get a nice clean line right across here and just go with it, you know? Of course you can.
Ever, ever.
The only 2 times it's okay to use a bowl to cut your hair is either in high fashion or if your mother does it for you with kitchen shears when you're 5.
Ever, ever, ever try and use a bowl to cut your hair.
It's not suggested.
No.
How do I set up my mirrors to cut my hair?
How do I set up my mirrors to cut my own hair? However you can rig it to where you can see the back, because you're gonna need your hands free.
Small mirror, nothing fancy. And rather than looking into the big mirror and using the small mirror to see the back, you just want to turn yourself around and look into the small mirror and have the big mirror behind you.
You might want to try using the face camera on your iPhone. There may be a lag, and in some cases, it's going to be a reverse field of view. So it might take just a little adjustment to figure out, if I move my hand left, is it going to go left or is it going to go right?
You're going to have to go through trial and error, and the best way to learn things is to make mistakes.
Can I use hydrogen peroxide
Or lemon juice to lighten my hair?
Technically, yes.
I've tried it as a kid. It lifts it a little bit, but it usually doesn't lift it enough to leave it at a good color.
During times like this, we might want to kind of try different things and experiment and try to color our hair with kind of DIY things at home.
It's really not advisable to do that, especially if you've had your hair previously colored.
Not only could you damage your hair, you could damage your skin as well.
Leave hair coloring to the professional. In reality, when all this is said and done and you get back to the salon, it's actually going to cost you more money to fix that hair color than it was to just get it done in the first place.
How do I let my hair grow long without looking crazy?
How do you grow your hair long without looking crazy?
One answer to that is invest in a good hat.
I use pomade. This is a great styling tool to slick your hair, and it actually makes your hair look less big.
One of the things that most people struggle with is using the same products that they had for their short hair on their now longer hair. You want to transition into something that would be more of a paste or a grooming cream. Something that's going to be a little softer and let the hair move and look naturally separated.
Go as long as you can without getting it cut.
Grow your hair long and embrace the crazy. I kind of like that look where it's like, I don't give a fuck, it's grown out, it's shaggy, it's wild.
Most favorite trick I use at home, a steamer. So a steamer is a really great way to actually get rid of all the bedhead and hat hair.
If you do have super thick hair, it's coarse and straight, I would definitely put in some coconut oil after you shampoo it.
And just get the steam on the areas that are not how I want them to look.
To kind of like lay it down, tone it down so it's not like crazy in a bad way.
So here you can already see, I've had the steam on my head for about 15 seconds. It's already kind of just back to its natural state.
Do you have to wash your hair every day?
No.
Thick hair, absolutely not. You do not want to wash it every day.
I like a little bit of like days of dirt.
But with really fine hair or really thin hair, that needs to be washed every day for sure.
Do I have to wash my hair every day?
I used to wash my hair every day because I used to wake up and I used to feel greasy. But eventually I got to the point where I started to leave it, and now I only wash my hair maybe twice a week.
The problem is that the more you wash it, the oilier your hair will get because your scalp is trying so hard to produce oil to condition your hair.
I find it styles a little bit better, and eventually when you stop washing it so much, it stops creating as much oil.
You can rinse it out with warm water really well, and that'll do the trick. How do I support my barber while I'm stuck at home?
I think that the way to support your barber is to suggest, can I prepay for a few haircuts? Can I get gift certificates?
Send them Venmo tips, and you can recoup that later.
Just to reach out to your barber and ask them for their advice, because barbers and stylists want to know and want to feel like they can help somebody, because that's what we do for a living. Is we help people and we make people look and feel good. And the fact that we're home right now, stuck for a month or two, not being able to do our job is very difficult for us.
There are a lot of legitimate benevolent funds that are set up to help barbers.
A lot of smaller barbershops and even bigger barbershops are doing GoFundMes.
Here we're starting a project called Support Your Local Barber, where you can go and visit our website at www.victorybarber.com, where you can learn more about how we're supporting local barbers and helping them stay at home and still earn a living.
If you're somebody that's also struggling, just, promote them on social media. Share that GoFundMe.
Tag us on your social media feeds and say how much you miss us, because it's just gonna make us feel a little better about ourselves.
You guys, thanks for having me.
I hope that we answered I hope we answered some of your questions.
Just stay safe, stay healthy, and your barber misses you. I miss all of you, and I'm sure you miss us too.
Yeah, let's all get through this together. Let's roll with it.
Everyone stay safe and check on the people that you love.
And don't forget, it's just hair.
Peace.